How to open checking accounts with Wells Fargo online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can open Wells Fargo checking account online. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up a browser, head towards the search bar and then go to wellsfargo.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. So to open up checking account, navigate to this checking options here, hover your mouse, and here you have various types of checking account that you can create or open. So one of the most popular account for managing your day-to-day financial needs is everyday checking, but you can also explore other options such as student or teen banking, prime checking, or premier checking. So for now, let's get started with the everyday checking account. Once you're here, head over to open now option now to create your account. Here you will land on this kind of interface. If you already have the checking account, you could simply sign on. If not, head over to Let's Go button and click on it. Now to get started with, first of all, you have to enter your social security number or ITIN number. And then next to that, enter your mobile number. So after you provide your social security and mobile number, you may have to verify your mobile number, where you will receive a code to confirm that you are to the mobile number provided. So once you complete these steps, go to agree and continue. And on the next step, you may be prompted to enter your information. So provide all of your required personal information and follow the on-screen instructions properly. Once you are verified with your information, you may be prompted to create your login credentials. So complete that as well. Make sure that you follow each instructions properly and provide all of your required information. And after you complete the process, you will have a checking account on Wells Fargo. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.